Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to manage app permissions on Vivo Y04. If you're using Vivo Y04 and now you want to manage your app permissions, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to select the app its permissions you want to manage, then keep a long press on the app, select info icon here, and after that you just have to select permissions. But if you won't get the settings here, you must have to go to settings app, and here just scroll down and look for apps, select it, then select all apps, and here you can easily access settings of every app. As I'm going to manage the permissions of this app, so just tap on it and then select permissions, and here you will get all permissions which are allowed on not allowed to phone. You just have to then select the permission which you want to manage, then select don't allow or allow which you want. So that's how you can easily manage app permissions on Vivo Y04. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.